what's up? Today we're doing an Uno challenge.
Okay, people, I know that you've heard someone say that because we are playing me against my brother Uno game on his channel, his camera. So I'm just going to open the light for some lighting. What are the lights there?
The lights are there, right there. You can see that there.
Got some lighting now.
Okay, that's the Uno box. Like it looks.
Please so you will, please can you pause it and I'll pause it so we can set up our Uno.
No way you can do it. Yeah.
Here are my cards.
Yeah, here
you
are
hear
mine.
My brother talking. These are my cards. So it's a good thing because like if he has a while, I can just put all my cards. So you see this? I have all the colors. So please do not look. Why? Just no, hold your camera.
Why?
Because how will they see?
Yeah, bro.
These are my cards.
These are mine.
So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put a card now on the floor. Oh, you cannot put that. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna have to do something quickly.
There.
Okay.
Put that card, okay?
Okay,
Who's
so
starting?
this is the card on the floor, and
You're starting.
no, you are starting.
Why?
Because I just start. And he has to swipe. He swiped already.
Pass.
And he passes. So now my cards have been shown.
Of course you have green.
So
Yeah.
well, actually, this is the only card you have. So I'm gonna put it here. And for those who don't know how to play Uno, like it's these piles of cards.
Wait.
You put a card on the floor. If you have the number 3 and it's not green, you can
pass.
Put it. If you don't have the number 3, if you have green, you can put it all as well. But so now I don't have any green or 0. So I have a green now, and I put it, and it was a number 2.
I will do a change color.
Okay, he's gonna change color, but I'm gonna put, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this. Oh yeah, don't play.
Hey, that's rude.
Hey, that's rude. How's that rude?
That's 6. Okay.
Yeah, show your
it.
card. Show your card.
Yeah,
here.
that's mine. That's mine.
So yeah.
I put that
He's
6
still
like
too
that.
young. But anyways, to change the color, I think I might win. I only got 4 cards left, guys. Come on.
Don't
He's
play. Don't
not.
play.
Oh my gosh, this guy's good. This guy's good. Oh my gosh. Twice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. He put it twice. Okay. I'm taking revenge. Don't play.
Hey!
Yeah.
No, you cannot do it.
Oh yeah, we got 2 cards left. But unfortunately, it's not the same color. We'll try to change the color. And what color do you pick?
What do you have?
That's just cheating. I'm not telling you.
I want the color red.
Red. Okay, we don't have that. Pass.
Yeah, you have 4 cards left.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, we changed the color.
Oh yeah,
sorry.
I have so
Oh
much.
my gosh, and the card fell. Go get it.
Me?
Yeah,
Why me? Why
because
me,
you
guys?
dropped it.
I didn't drop it.
Yes, you
Guys,
did. You did drop it.
I didn't drop it, guys.
Take it. Hey.
Why? Take it.
Okay, dumb. Because I tell you guys something. This is great because usually a Uno game takes, for me, it takes like
My turn?
1 hour to
My turn?
play, and now it's 3 minutes. So I'm about to finish, but I need to swipe. You know, the only thing that we do is swiping, and look at my cards that I get now.
Oh my!
Can you believe it? The camera has done a reflection, so you will see what I have.
You have a 4 plus.
Yep.
Don't put it.
Okay, anyways, it's your turn. I swipe.
Anyways, I don't know. I don't have. No, this is...
Can you put? Like, this guy's... If you don't have it, fine. This guy cheated. This guy cheated.
Okay.
No, you cheated.
Come on, guys.
Such a cheater.
Okay, pass.
Fine.
Just put.
I just want to roll.
You just want to roll it? Wow.
And I pick blue.
Blue?
Yes.
I used to have blue, but I do.
Yep.
8? You exactly what you do to me. And I pick a green.
Green?
Mm-mm.
Wait.
Haha.
If he does...
Change color.
What do you mean? This is called a change color, guys.
I still have blue, well.
Okay. Oh yeah, we put a 2.
If you put a 2, I'll say a damn you.
Okay, 3 cards left.
Oh yeah. And it's change color.
And it's change color. Oh yeah, 2 cards left, guys. Come on.
And it's blue, right?
Nope.
Of course it's blue.
Swipe. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Change
Oh,
color.
sorry. Oh my god, what have I done? Oh yeah, my turn and...
Pass.
Oh, and my turn.
Hey!
Oh yeah, guys, look at that.
Hey, that's the change color, bro.
Oh, and that's a change color as well. Uno as well.
And it's blue.
No, it's not.
Take that.
Oh, yo. Why are you
Take
doing
that.
Oh, yo, why?
4 cards.
Okay, your turn.
4 cards.
My turn. +2, do not play. And my turn. And, yep. You see, this is why you need smartest in Uno. +2, do not play. Uno.
Again?
Yeah, take that.
Don't see my cards. Okay, there.
Wild, and I pick blue. Uno.
Blue? Of course it's blue. Change color.
Change color. Oh, yeah, I win. Oh, yeah.
Oh, can you play your rematch?
Nah, guys. We'll do a part 2. How about we do a part 2?
Yeah, now.
No. the part
Yeah,
2.
now.
No.
Yeah, now.
He's angry.
No!
He's angry. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, I have to end the video right now.
No,